Alright, so I just got this little throttle for the switch kit, but it's just a generic one. And apparently you need to switch some of the cables over. So I tried opening this, which was kind of pretty hard. And then I don't really want to take this apart as well. So I'm going to cut it in the middle and then relace the cable. So hopefully that works. So what you want to do is take this black outer off, and I just used a pair of scissors and a razor blade. You can just cut in a little bit close and then twist it and it should come off. And just be careful, there's 3 wires in here, so try not to cut those. Okay, so you can see it here. You got a red cable, a black cable, and a white cable. What you want to do is just switch over the white and black cables and then just keep the red cable the same. After that, you just want to cut a section of the black cable off so you can work with it a little bit easier. Alright, so I just did a little section, but I think I'm going to need more wire. So I'm just going to redo the same thing, but take a lot more off. Alternatively, you can just cut the cables and redo the red one, but I didn't want to redo the red one, so this is why I did it this way. Alright, that's all done. So I'm going to switch these. And then repeat the same for the black and white cables on both ends. Try not to cut them. Alright, there it is. All done. So now I'm going to connect the black to the white and white to the black. And what you do is just take the wires and twist them together. After you twist them together, you just want to kind of bend it over like this to stop them from being pulled apart and splitting. So you just want to press down like this, bend it over itself, and then push down so it's flush with the wire. And then this is basically done. And then just repeat the same thing with the other cable. And then use electrical tape to wrap around each cable separately so it's not exposed. Alright, that's all done. And now, moment of truth. I'm going to try it out before I tape it all up. Alright, stoked on that. So yeah, don't forget to tape up the rest of the cable. Hope you found that helpful, and thanks for watching. Peace.